Deathmatch, count your deaths. Save them for the end. There's no spawn point. 1 minute on any player, any live player. Both hands. Corey, roughly that way. Yeah.
I know that. Well, I'm still waiting for people for a scrum. I'm sorry I couldn't be an AK crew with you today, bud. But you can be our intelligence. Yep. Drop. Okay.
How many are left here?
What?
How many are left here?
I've still got about 4 or 5. I'll do you what hitting does me. Okay, I'll just do a recount.
Look at your teammates, guys. It's going to be hard enough anyway.
9.
I estimate 1 and 3 hits will be friendly fire.
1 and 3. I say 1 and 2. Well, not for the first game. Not for the
First 5 minutes, we should be alright.
So we got 16 minus you, not including me. Did you count me when I arrived? Yeah, I just went through and recounted just then.
I might shoot you anyway, kitten.
I was going to say, we'll all end up spread out and we're all going to be shooting each other.
Get in group.
That's right.
Fuck team, see if it's moving, shoot it. Get to the tower.
3 right. We got 6 on the left, we got about 6 on the right. Down by the barrels. They're probably in the building. There's one by the black tank over there. Is there somebody in there? Is at least one in the building? At least one in the building? One in the building as well. How far can that thing fire? Could you hit the crow's nest from here? Halo's right below the crow's nest there. You see him? He's enemy. In the bottom of the crow's nest, in the door, behind the door.
We've got up in the building parallel with me, but Halo's in the crow's nest below, you know where the red waxed door is? Yeah, they're still looking that way. See that rusty door though, over there, where the crow's nest is? Yeah. Halo's in there.
One hanging in the door. Hit! Alive. I'm going back. Okay. Give me a second.
We're gonna get fucking raped over here now.
Frank? Yep. Yeah, bitch. Coming out right hand side of the black building. Shit.
Okay. Can I do cover your left?
Yeah, cover the left, mate. Spawn on me. I avenged you.
I'm trying to bring people out of their cover. Who's their attacker? Who's got the attacker?
Quaid.
We got something down here as well.
Zimmer's moved to the left.
Got about 3 down here.
Yeah, Druss is there as well. Guardian's down. Zimmer's about.
What?
Yeah. Hit!
Oh, hit! Just get my hat.
Ahead of the position we have here, eh?
Coming through, Frank. Coming through.
That's right.
Ah. He's behind there, he's got really good cover.
Are we getting cross from our left? They were moving up to close.
No, it was
It's a 4 total. One just come up behind it as well, over. Yep.
I can't.
We got someone on the left. I'll watch up here. You clear on the left, Corey? You clear on the left, Corey? Be careful, there's a cameraman up ahead. Behind it, but I can't see anything else, over. Somebody just moved to the left, over. Look out, dude! Get down! Get down, Jono! In the grass, dude. Somebody can see you there. Hit! You alright there, Jono? Well done. Where are they, Corey? Is anyone just behind those barrels there? Yeah. Sierra, Zimmer. Yep.
Borderline 10 metres, fucking police.
Looks like 10 to me.
You know, middle building was here.
Yeah,
I think I'm better off staying next to building.
absolutely.
Earlier where that boiler is, black boiler, there was a couple there.
Yeah, I think he's moved on, but I think there's another guy on those big stack of barrels to your left, the 44-gallon drums. Yes, paintball.
Frank, you know this little wall in front of the Black Ops building? Guardian's there.
Seconds. Seconds.
I hate this position.
Get them fired down that line.
Hello. There's no one there? Okay, going. That guy's still alive behind the tank, Lethal? That guy that was by the white tank, is he still there?
On that side, is
Yeah.
it? Yeah, he's still there. Pop me in the face. Is it who got you?
Yeah, same guy.
Watch down the right hand flank.
Nothing, but there's a guy on this side that can fucking...
Yeah, there's a dude who come running down.
Oh, there is now. There's a big white tank over here by the ute, and there's a guy lying right under it, and he can just cop you as you go down there. I'll take it. Hit. I think it was a ricochet, but...
We always gone back, we can't go back any further. They are already in front of the chemical factory. We all gotta die here!
Always so fucking positive, Frank.
Yeah, absolutely.
20 seconds.
Okay.
10. Alive. Fuck. So is there someone on the right now?
Lee took out someone more towards the middle.
You guys are going to be right here, Danny?
I'm going to the left, guys.
Is Corey still here? Coming through, Frank.
Wait to your right. Wait to your right. We are already in front of the chemical factory. In the building of the chemical, in front of the chemical.
We need to get crossfire on them. Can you crossfire to the left, Puff? Yeah. Anyone you can see? They're having a hard time of it over there. Hit! Coming through. Fuck. See anything there, Dan?
We need to get that Black Ops building. When I come alive, We're just gonna pace it. One of us will get in the building, and then you just hold that fucking room, okay?
Is it the dark room?
Yeah.
Was there anyone in there?
It was before I got on there, it got clear. I started to move around.
Sweet. Right. Look.
There's one person in the building. They just shut the door. There's one person in the building. Truss is on the left.
Got me there, kid. Kill.
Did you bang as well? Okay, both dead.
I'm alive. Move up now. Move up now.